Good morning, Pops. What is this dust? Pops, look at this. Tracy, what am I paying you for?
Oh,
Pops, you realize all these things? This is so unfair. No, Tracy. I can't believe I'm paying you $15,000 and everything out here is full of dust. What are you doing eating? No, Tracy. Come over here.
but miss me have this.
Tracy, give me a minute over here.
Miss, no, make some microphone.
Tracy, give me a minute. This is unbelievable. Come over here.
Every dog has his day, and every cat has his 4 o'clock. 2 blocks.
It's unbelievable. I won't tolerate this, Tracy.
I don't even know what that means. Your love problem, you know. Why big problem?
You're not doing your job.
What is my job? You know in there when me when the clean the place. But you want to come give me problem now? Why a big problem? You know, see you have a alternative.
The problem is
You
you.
have an alternative.
The problem is you, Tracy.
What me do? Me
You're not doing your job.
What is my job?
To clean, to serve, to shut up, to work. You're not a part of this family.
Oh, come here, I'm show you something. Can you feel me afraid?
Oh, girl, what are you crazy?
Come here.
What are you doing?
Feel some frightened for you. Me I try to love you, you know. Me I try to love you. Let me tell you something. You know remember good, you know. You know remember good.
What should I remember, Tracy?
You have an alternative.
That I took you up and I gave you a job and now you're making money and even collecting tips. This is not a tip-free hotel. You do not take any money from my dad. Yes.
That's a bonus. Yes, the $15,000 way you give me, I'm going to accept it as a from now on.
Then give it back when Papi's not looking. And do the job for free.
So you're a bad man, Mister. That's how you alternative you make problem. Let me tell you something. Let me ask you something. On a serious note, no, me not disrespect you.
You can't.
You feel say me tell Pops about the bones them. I have some around you, some bury them in a
What
fear.
bones are you talking about? What bones are you talking? If I ever hear you mention anything like you want to cause or stir up problem in this house, you won't like it.
How you do? Extradite
You won't
extradite me.
What? That's not even the correct word. You better be careful.
Extradite, you try to extradite me.
Listen, you better be careful. I'm warning you for the last time, Tracy.
So you try to assassinate me.
I see that you didn't even went to a proper school.
No worry about the school, cause one lesson me get good. You remember your next husband?
What next husband are you talking about? Listen, you don't want me to get myself
right now,
in
me
trouble.
are going to go tell Pops you lick me.
What are you talking about? Tracy. Tracy. You're lying.
Me a lie.
You're
Next
so
time you try
evil.
to assassinate me, you remember good.
Listen, if you tell Pops, listen, you can't tell that anything. Because guess what? If he finds out, you will lose too. You won't be staying here, you won't be making any money. I'll tell him that you came here for your man.
Which man? Which man? Oh, and you laugh. You want a mad girl, you know?
Yes,
so
I'll
you
make
turn
it
this
up.
for me like a
Definitely.
man. Oh.
Let's see who's the crazy one here. You think I have anything losing?
Oh, he's a mad
You think
girl.
I have anything losing?
Hey, I want to say skinny no says a mad girl in
Don't even call my man by his name. Don't you dare. Don't
Let me
you
go
dare.
make your breakfast. This girl
You better.
say I feel me man.
You better do
Hey.
that. You made acting as if you're anything.
It's a mad girl this year. You're really a mad girl behave God. What's that? Me see her alternative, you know. Me see her alternative. That girl I try assassinate me for true, you know. God. Look how you deal with me good. You give me big house. Me have one nice father-in-law. The only problem I have that dead me, girl. One thing alone he say will make sense. And my man, me come up here for feature, you know. My man. If he say go assassinate me, nah assassinate me. Watch what go on. You take me man, you give me a hard time in my own place. In my own place. All that for go on. And you born for your nice man. Watch you go on to blast. You killer want to kill me. Kill a girl that want to kill me, you know. And you look like you can't even breathe. You look like you can't breathe, you know, girl. When people can't breathe, you know, they're miserable. My granny tell me that. For true. You feel good man and you bada me. In my own place and me a care. So go on.
Skinny. Get up. Up. I said to get up, Skinny. Get up from the bed.
What's the problem?
You know, sister, you waste time. Your father is here now. What about the money? You're here sleeping.
What time?
You should have gotten up from early, even before daybreak.
What you say?
Your father is here now. Skinny, what about the money?
Oh. Later me talk to you.
No. We need the money now. You need to get up and have a talk about the money.
You just
I
wait me.
even seen him giving the maid money. Him have money, big bucks. Yes, him have a lot of money. So why is he taking so long to give us our money and he even gave Tracy money? You need to get up, you're wasting time. Get up.
I wash my face, huh? I wash my teeth,
Don't even take 2 minutes. Always sleeping.
Babe, I'm tired.
I'm tired, babe. I need money. My nails want to do. My nails need to get done. Here, everything. Can't you see? Always I take up hot girl and come and maintain them. Hurry up and go get that money. Hurry up, Skinny. It's the money. Get the money first, babe. I'm here. I'm not leaving. I'm going here nowhere. Get the money first. You'll have kiss, hugs. Get the money.
Tired.
Skinny, go get the money.
Pops.
Why touch means so much? Human don't just want touch. They need touch. Studies show that children who were shelled. Good morning, my son. How you doing?
There, man. Just I wake up. I drink tired.
Yeah, man. Tracy gave me some tea and some crackers.
Tracy reach already.
Yeah. I was wondering why you guys still in bed this late hours.
Pop, me tired, man.
Tired?
Yeah, man.
What are you doing to tired, Skinny?
I mean, Pop, man. You know, say one of your grandson, I've been working.
To blast.
True, Pop, man, you know?
Yeah? Because I really need that grandson to carry on my name, you know, Skinny.
True, Pops, man.
Yeah.
Talking about that too, you know, Pops, you know, say, I did want the thing what they talk about. I did want, you know, they want to deal with it, some things and capitalize on something in the day too. You know, so I did want to check to see for the, you know.
What are you talking?
The money, Pops, man.
The money? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna make you get that money, Skinny, cause
I told you what I wanted to Pops.
today.
Yeah, so you come and do something out that way, you know.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna just finish read this book and then I'll deal with it for you, okay?
Mr. Dice,
Yes,
I'm going to clean your room, alright?
Okay, Chelsea.
No, see, Mr. Skinny, like he up to something.
Pops, I told him I want to do it, you know, so, you know.
What time would you like to do it?
No, Pops.
No.
Yeah, I know more than want to go by road in the morning, you know.
Okay, alright. Go and get yourself fresh up, and by the time you get yourself fresh up, I'll start that out for you. I just want to finish this little paragraph right here.
I see, me can link you for.
So, Skinny, is that the way you're going in the town?
No, Pops, me just happy and get here.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Pops,
Just-
me now watch, Pops, don't buy that foolishness, man. Just go and feel something from man. Me just get you out there. It's sometimes it will delay, me could have left out and go out and I remember some of the calicky fire, Pops.
So,
that.
you see, it seems like you want to go and sleep again. I know
Me
you're
not
coming
sleep,
asking
Pops.
for
Me
money.
not like sleeping, Pops. Me not like sleep.
And you're coming out of bed this hours of the day.
Me not did that sleep. Me just lie down on there, Pops.
It's soon 12 o'clock now and you're just getting up out the bed.
Pops, me not sleep. Me just lie down and looking at the ceiling, you know.
Skinny, go and get yourself ready. I'm gonna let you get the money. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna check and let you get that money.
True. Cash it for real.